When choosing cabinetry for home renovations or new builds, the decision can significantly impact the overall style and functionality of your space. Shiloh Cabinetry offers an exceptional blend of aesthetic appeal, craftsmanship, and practicality that stands out in the vast market of home improvement options. Here are 10 distinctive features and benefits of Shiloh Cabinetry that make it a preferred choice for discerning homeowners and designers. 1. Wide range of style selections. Shiloh Cabinetry is renowned for its extensive selection of styles, from traditional to contemporary and everything in between. This versatility ensures that no matter your design vision, Shiloh has options that will harmoniously blend with your home's architecture and interior decor. 2. Superior construction quality. Every piece of Shiloh Cabinetry is constructed with meticulous attention to detail, using high-quality materials to ensure durability and longevity. The craftsmanship evident in each cabinet speaks volumes about Shiloh's commitment to delivering excellence. 3. Customizable layouts and designs. Understanding that every space is unique, Shiloh offers customizable layouts and designs. This flexibility allows homeowners to optimize their storage solutions, fitting the cabinetry perfectly into the intended space. 4. Eco-friendly manufacturing. Shiloh Cabinetry takes pride in its sustainable manufacturing practices, utilizing eco-friendly materials and processes. This commitment to environmental responsibility makes Shiloh an excellent choice for eco-conscious homeowners. 5. State-of-the-art finishes. Shiloh's state-of-the-art finishes not only protect your cabinetry but also add depth and beauty to the wood. These finishes are designed to withstand daily usage, maintaining the cabinetry's look for years to come. 6. Enhanced functionality through innovative accessories. With a range of innovative accessories, Shiloh Cabinetry enhances the functionality of your space. From pull-out spice racks to soft-close drawers, these thoughtful additions make your kitchen or bathroom both more efficient and enjoyable to use. 7. Exceptional value. Shiloh Cabinetry offers an exceptional balance of quality and affordability, providing homeowners with a high-end look without the high-end price tag. This exceptional value makes luxury accessible to a broader range of design projects. 8. Comprehensive warranty. Backing their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, Shiloh offers a comprehensive warranty. Homeowners can rest assured knowing their investment is protected against manufacturing defects or material failures. 9. Professional design support. From initial concept to final installation, Caruso Kitchen Design's team of professional designers is available to guide homeowners through the process. This support ensures that every detail is considered, making the design journey as seamless as possible. 10. Increased home value. Investing in Shiloh Cabinetry not only enhances the beauty and functionality of your home but can also increase its market value. Quality cabinetry is a significant selling point, making Shiloh a wise choice for those considering future resale. Shiloh Cabinetry stands out for its uncompromising quality, stylish design options, and the thoughtful integration of functionality into every piece. Whether you're updating a single room or undertaking a comprehensive home renovation, Shiloh offers the features, flexibility, and finishes to bring your unique vision to life. At Caruso Kitchen Designs, our desire is to create beautiful, livable spaces that fit your unique life and style. We invite you to schedule a free design consultation or visit our showrooms in Lakewood or Louisville, where you can explore a world of design possibilities. We proudly serve the entire Denver metro area and beyond.